Masks, vaccination. Washington strengthens the game against the Delta variant by reinstating the wearing of masks in areas at risk even for vaccinated people and by not ruling out a vaccination obligation for federal government employees. Before new announcements scheduled for Thursday, the United States has clearly tightened the year Tuesday in the face of the spread of the Delta variant. We have seen an increase in vaccination in recent days, but we have to do better, Joe Biden said in a statement. The Democratic president also indicated that a compulsory anti-COVID vaccination for federal state employees was in the study, speaking on the sidelines of a trip Tuesday. According to the American authorities, 2.1 million people would be potentially affected if we stick to civilian personnel. It would also be a major step for the White House, which has so far been very reluctant to introduce any notion of constraint in its approach to vaccination against the coronavirus. Health authorities revised their recommendations on wearing masks on Tuesday. In areas where transmission due to COVID-19 is important, the Centers for Disease Prevention and Control, CDC, recommend that fully vaccinated people wear masks in public places indoors. To curb the spread of the Delta variant, the CDC will also recommend that schools ask teachers, students or visitors to wear the mask, whether or not they are vaccinated. In Australia, the inhabitants of Sydney will have to be patient and spend an additional month in confinement, local authorities announced on Wednesday, citing ever more numerous contaminations and a low vaccination rate. The country's largest city was originally scheduled to end its 5-week lockdown on July 30th, but restrictions were extended for 4 weeks, until August 28th. I realize what we're asking people for the next 4 weeks, but that's because we want to protect our community and make sure we can bounce back as quickly as possible, explained Premier of New South Wales Gladys Berejiklian.